Hi, I'm Haley. We asked you guys to ask us questions and I'm here to answer them. I have them here on my phone, so I will start with number 1. It is, how do you balance mom life and being a business owner? And real talk, there's no such thing as balance. I feel like I'm always needed somewhere and there's always somewhere where I'm not. So balance is impossible, but there are some things I do that help me feel good about it, and that is make sure you prioritize. So be there for the important stuff and find someone that you trust to take care of them while you're not there and that they love. And so you don't feel guilty when you leave. They're fine if you leave because they really like who's watching them. And then some other things I do is just make sure like I am taking care of myself so I can take care of everything. So every morning I wake up and I go to the gym really fast and just do some things so I can balance work, mom life, and still be happy while doing that because it can get kind of hectic. So that is what I do. The next question is, when are the American-made lashes coming? We are so excited. We are so excited too. One thing that's holding us up there is we are trying to get the quality and the quantity there for you guys. So that just takes a lot of time. So it's taken a lot longer than we expected, but just know when they do come out, they're gonna be Bella Lash quality, and then we're actually gonna be able to keep the quantity and keep you guys supplied. Number 3, what is your favorite tweezer? My favorite tweezer, okay, we have some new ones coming. I'm just gonna say that. But of our current line, my favorite tweezer is our Crane Diamond Elite tweezer. They have diamonds in the tips, so they just really grip lashes very well. You don't have any slipping. So that would be my favorite right now, is the Curve Diamond Elite. All right, why are the Crystalized Fans always out of stock? And my answer to that is the demand and the supply is a problem industry-wide right now. The supply is just really hard to get. We're having issues with borders and all of that. So just supply chain issues is the main reason we're not able to keep them in stock, and they're very hot item, which is one of the reasons we switched our American-made line to pre-made Crystalized Fans, because then we can actually keep them in stock. So that's one reason we pivoted on that, is so we can keep them in stock. So we're gonna work on it, promise to keep improving, and then we'll always update you guys when we get them in stock. So always check our website and our Instagram and emails. We'll let you know when we get them in. How do you get the blooming lashes to bloom? I struggle as a new lash artist. I think the best way to answer this would be by video demonstration. So we will do video demonstration and post that to our Instagram. So check there. All right, the next question is, do you have any tips for someone just starting out? And I think my best tip is just start, just go and do. It's never gonna be perfect, everything, and you're gonna be a little rusty at the beginning, but just start and go and do, and it'll work out in the end. People will refer after you get going, and just go and do it. All right, what is your favorite adhesive? My favorite adhesive is the new Onyx that just came out. It dries way fast, and I've noticed my lashes last a lot longer when I get the Onyx on. So my favorite is Onyx. I actually really like mixing too. So mixing the Onyx in the diamond or the Onyx in the platinum actually is awesome too. It can help like thin it out a little bit if you mix it with platinum. Just try it. I feel like sometimes it works. So if you're just looking for one, Onyx is great, but if you're looking to mix, it mixes great with the diamond and the platinum. How do you overcome the hard days of being a business owner? You are gonna have those very hard, challenging days where it feels like it's not worth it. But I think if you just have your people that you can go to and like really just vent to, and then they can calm you down, that really helps. Or having your people that can just relax with you and bring you back to what matters most, then yeah, find your people, and that helps me get through the hard days. What has been the most challenging part of building your own brand? I think the most challenging part is I did it with my husband. It's really hard to work with your husband. So that has been really hard to figure out work-life balance with him and to shut it off. Like it'll be 10 at night and we're just like chatting lashes and like we go. And it's like, oh my gosh, we need to stop. Like we need to stop working and just like work on our life. So I would say that's been the most challenging for us, is to figure out work-life balance. We like to work a lot. We like to grow it. We like to see it grow. So, all right, that's the end of the questions. Thank you guys so much for asking these questions. Please keep asking them. We will keep doing videos. And when you guys ask questions, it gives us ideas for videos so we can make more for you and put them online. So check online. We'll keep putting these on. Check Instagram, YouTube. Thanks, you guys.